Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Daldaroc. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create your own chocolate bar wrapper specifically for the 4-finger Kit Kat bar. I'll show you how to design this as well as how to fold and crimp this. Now keep in mind the measurements that I use in the beginning of this video is based on me not crimping the wrapper. I felt that it looks better this way and it gives it a more unique look, especially because this is actually designed for a bridal party or even a wedding. Okay, so I want it to be different and not crimp it because it looks better, I feel. This is the 4-finger Kit Kat chocolate bar that we will be using today to create a custom chocolate wrapper. Your first step would be to go to Canva and create a custom template size. I would be using 11 centimeters by 16 centimeters. Then you will have to go to rulers and guides to create your guidelines for your design. As I create the guidelines, I will label it so you will understand where you should place your graphics. The back of the wrapper should be 6.5 centimeters. The side would be at 7.5 centimeters. The front would be at 15 centimeters and the other side would be at 16 centimeters. Once we have the guidelines in place, you can go ahead and create your design according to your theme. Now that we have our completed guidelines, we can start with adding a background color or picture. A quick tip: when using Canva, if you cannot find the correct color, you can always search for it using the color or using the color code. When placing your graphics for the front of the wrapper, make sure that you place the graphics or wording inside the marked block. Now, if you want this template, I will make this available for you to use free for a limited time. Just comment the word template and I'll send you the link. Also, if you would like me to design a template for you, comment the word design and I'll gladly assist you. Now, when creating the sides of the wrapper, you can add your flower images or you can add a different type of color. Now, the side of the wrapper is generally where one would crimp the wrapper. And for instance, please do not put any wording or any small font because it will not be able to be reading well, especially if you're choosing to crimp or you're choosing to fold this. When creating the back of the wrapper, I like to turn my graphics upside down. So when I'm folding the chocolate wrapper, it reads the right way when looking at the wrapper. I also like to add a special touch by adding the wedding date or the date of the event as part of the barcode. Sometimes when using rulers and guides, it can prevent you from moving your font or your uh, images around. So if that is giving an issue, just turn off your rulers and guides and turn it back on once you're done moving your item. This is now the finished look. And remember, if you would like this template, comment the word template, and if you would like me to customize your design, comment the word design. Now, this is the process where I will show you how to cut your chocolate wrapper to size, as well as show you how to fold and wrap your chocolate wrapper. Your first step would be to cut your chocolate wrapper, and then you will remove some of the backing of the sticker paper. Do not remove the whole backing. As you will see, you will have to constantly move your chocolate to put it in the right position. If you remove your full backing of your chocolate paper, it would be very difficult for you to move and replace your chocolate. Once you got the right position, then you can remove the rest of the backing paper and then continue to fold. Your next step would be to seal the edges properly, or you would crimp your wrapper. Now this is the finished look, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. This really will help my video to be shown to many more people and help many people out there. Thanks for watching.